to weld the metal tube with hollow tube forming machine. Input the cutted strip. When the copper tube reaches the welding position, manually press the welding button to weld it. Seamless welding. Welcome to Inquiry with us.